Check this out. If you can find. Right there. If you want to get it. Well. Hey, good. How much is your Rock Band drum thingy?
Well, so yeah, that's free.
Yeah, need some love.
Fix it. It works. I just don't know how to put the thing back up.
Yeah, it's like cracked a little.
Yeah, it's kind of
Like hard glue or something. Yeah, interesting. Maybe. This is skating. That's cool.
25 cents.
Ceramibrite.
For what? Oh. Yeah,
Oh, sorry. How much is your Xbox?
$40 for everything.
Oh, as I break it. No, I don't think it's alright.
I mean, I played it like 3 years ago and it worked perfectly. Like, I played the whole games.
Is there any of the games with it?
Well, there's games up there, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 80.
But it's 40. Oh, 40 plus. The games are separate.
The games are
So look at this
Okay.
box.
Yeah. 10 for 40.
Does this go to it? This thing you had, Dad?
That's for the DS.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I remember playing it.
It wasn't very fun.
It worked though.
There's like the Guitar Hero game.
Remission. Oh, that's PC. And the DVDs are the same price?
For the Game of Thrones, like, that's the whole
Second season, yeah.
season.
Promo.
Probably do like 10 for each whole season.
10 for a whole season?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. Any chance you'd throw in one game if I bought it? Just so I had something
Yep.
to play?
Yep.
40 bucks? Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
thank you.
Thank you. Anything good there? We?
Couple cool games. Like Bioshock.
Yeah.
Shock,
They're 8
Guitar
apiece, so.
Hero. They're 8 apiece, okay.
Mm-hmm. A little.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a little high. What is this?
I got cards.
Whenever you want.
Ultimate Alliance.
Look at this one. So it's just,
Oh, cool.
there's the Legos inside.
Let me see. That's cool.
Go for like
I
$1.
hit my car.
That's for $1. He says $1, Eli. It's not bad.
Each car a quarter, with the big one for $1.
Okay.
I'll go this
He
way,
might
this
do it. He
way.
likes cars.
Yeah.
Shining.
Might be all burly.
Here's Johnny.
Middle of the driveway, I think, I guess. Whatever. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, and thank you.
Walking Dead first season. Oh, I got board games too. What are these? Train engineer hats. How much are your board games?
$5 a piece.
That's an interesting one. Bargain
there's
hunter.
some marked on it.
Operation.
I'm behind you, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, sorry, that Xbox is already
Oh,
sold.
it's already sold.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You want to pull it? Let me get it for you.
I can move it out of the way.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, cute. It's Nerf for nothing. A little expensive, but whatever.
The robots.
Meow.
I think they're good because they feel like robots and they're.
Do we want anything
real
else
high
there?
quality. I'm done.
Okay. Descendants 2. Done more? Look.
Gotta take them to school, so we're out of here at 7 a.m. and we're back after 4 days. Is this your mom's?
Crafting. Not a crafting.
16 months.
Yeah.
It wasn't supposed to be. So we were Special Forces Delta. We were only supposed to be there for 4 months. All right. So,
I'll toss you something.
but the surge in Baghdad kind of screwed everybody up, and we were over there, and we were Falcon Brigade, and we were supposed to be 4 months at a time.
Oh.
As long as you stay over there.
I found it. No, I found it over
So,
here, and I want to
but
keep it together for you.
We actually had the people we
I don't want
replaced,
you
the
being
White
spread
Falcons, landed back at Fort Bragg, Pope Air
She
Force
set it
Base,
down over here then.
and they flew right back off, went right back
That's
over to
okay,
Iraq.
hon.
Wow.
They
Because
think
they
about
had
it,
the
they
surge.
want it,
It was more.
How much is
30.
it? 30 for the whole thing?
Got a lot of baby stuff. Yeah.
Has batteries too? Yeah.
Yes, everything that's in the whole kit.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I think actually
Nice.
that's them charge and all.
Thank you.
We got still got plenty of baby stuff.
Here, follow.
There you go. All right.
Yeah, gotta buy the tools.
That's right. Yeah.
And then 2010.
Let's see what else we got here. It's like a big cooking kit. Oh, that's cool. That's really nice. I want that too.
I would have rather went back to Iraq for 16 months versus that 3 months.
Elijah, they got DVDs and stuff. Let's see.
I thought
What is that?
someone else's.
I was just like this, so my arm got burned.
This is one of those. This might be good. Do you have your phone? Look it up. You might be surprised. David? David? That's my name.
Oh, the turkey ladder.
Oh, the platter. I thought it said ladder too.
$15. Do you want that?
How much? How much is... Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Is it any good? Your mom likes it when I buy this stuff. Collagen. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
couple questions. How much is this this knife kit?
Oh, that's knife kit was what, Paula? $20. That's really a
And
good
how
knife.
much is this box? Are you selling it individually? Is it
Well,
selling
I
the whole
don't
box
know.
of fun?
Did you want to sell the box complete of the stuff, or do you want it individual?
It was all individual, but
How much would it be for the whole box?
The whole box. How much you want for it?
I have to come look at it.
Okay.
It's fine.
She just got all that stuff, so
Gotcha.
give her rolling time. Give her rolling time.
Roll on over.
Nice.
I just bought that, sir.
Oh,
No worries. What's that?
I don't know.
That's fine. Anyway.
Oh, hello. I was just looking at that box there.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is this?
So that, I don't know where the cord is to plug it in.
See.
So that's going to be a problem. I would have sold it for just like a couple bucks, but the cord I think is missing because I haven't found it yet.
So would you sell it for like $1?
That thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can buy it for $1.
So I would probably do $40 probably.
40. Is most of it new or is it
It's
kind
all
of-
brand new.
Oh, it's
yeah.
all brand new?
The only thing is this broke open, but none of it's been
Okay.
used. Like everything is mostly sealed, except this is the only thing that kind of got it.
Any chance you do that and the knives for 50?
Yes.
Okay.
Do that. Thank you. Can we just leave it right in the box?
Yeah, that'd be fine. Here you go. $50. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a bigger box to put?
It's okay. I think I'm gonna take a couple trips anyways because I got the drills as well. What is this thing?
This is a bento box, so it's like it's taking your food to work.
Gotcha.
Little,
Okay.
Like, cubbies and.
That makes sense. Oh, that's heavy. Oh boy. Firefly. How much are the DVDs?
I would double check what's in the box is correct. And you can do like 2 for $1. The box sets you can do for like $2.
$2.
But if it's like a single DVD, you can do a couple of them for $1.
Okay. 2, 4.
I hope you're getting the right stuff off your cabinet.
Thornbirds.
Plastic bag.
Okay. Thank you. These. Hobbit collection. Third Act from the Sun. Touched by an Angel. Grace.
Yeah, I've seen you walking through here. Seen
2, 3, 4.
I'm just gonna put that down so don't drop it. This part is a little.
All right, I'll see you later, honey. I'll hold it for you, baby.
Okay. Yep.
So 2, 4, and then 5?
She needs a big box.
Okay. And then there was some I wanted in this bag. I'm just worried about transporting them without damaging them.
I mean, if you wanted the whole bag, you can just.
There
was
some
just like
CDs in the back, and then
There's
there's
the
a couple.
Hobbit set, and then some random.
Yeah, like
But
the
it's pretty
Hobbit.
much the Hobbit is what you want, right?
Yeah, and the Third Rock.
Third Rock. Okay. Yeah, so you can just
Well, honey.
$5 more?
sure. Works.
So that's 10 total.
Now starting the day.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Sorry.
Two of these.
Okay.
Find anything?
Yeah.
What is this? Superstar Glass Star. Glass Star, Superstar 2. What thing?
That red thing.
Why?
Looks like it's super sticky and red.
Check this out. If you can find. Right there. If you want to get it. Well, this is a little bit different, but it's very similar. Superstar 2. Certainly worth asking about. Might be cheap.
I don't know.
It's like old crafting stuff can be okay.
Yeah,
it's
I'm
probably-
could you hold these?
I'll put them in my pile. Yeah, there's some interesting stuff in here. Glass Star. Soldering iron. I think that might be part of it.
What is that thing? David, do you know what this is, honey? What is this thing?
Metal tech.
Stained glass. Stained glass. Yeah. It's all where the gentleman is down there.
Okay, is there something that goes with this?
I don't know. I have no clue. Jane knows the stained glass.
Yeah, I think these look like pieces.
Yeah.
Glass Star, Glass Star. So it's like the whole box. How much for the whole box?
see. What's underneath? Anything? Maybe it's, be careful. I'm not sure it's glass.
Yeah, it's
or
like
not.
glass pieces. Yeah, stained glass working.
Okay.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do some major work.
Oh, these are the pins.
Okay.
Have you done stained glass before?
No, but we're always looking at new things.
There is a
Glass
thing you
flux.
can get at Lowe's and Home Depot.
Yeah.
Pad
Oh, this
thing.
is
It's
part
a
of it,
heat resistant thing.
Yeah.
And you can take a pattern and pin something.
Like that, right? Stained glass.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like the
Oh, I love
instructional
doing
book.
that.
Yeah. How much you looking for on all
Let's
this?
see. There's this. Just be very careful. There might be some lead solder.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's
For a big one in the house to put on a, when I make my fried potatoes.
20.
Definitely do it.
20
Mm.
for Annabelle.
He was looking at it. What do you think, bud? You want it for 20 or?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
What thing has that like lead stuff?
I know what to look for with that.
Yeah,
I'll-
I'm not sure.
yeah, I know. I can check.
Okay.
We can just take out the solder and throw it away. It's not a big deal.
There you go.
Oh man, I really wish I had made an offer on all those video games. I mean, there wasn't any amazing games, but as I think back, he had this whole thing where it was like $4 a game or 8 for $10 or something along those lines. And I feel like if I had just said, hey, how much for all, the price could have been really good, but I didn't think of it and I just didn't do it. And sometimes that happens and I wish I had, but I still got some really good stuff. Those knives I got are awesome. I might keep them, but I also might sell them. I don't know. They are worth like $130. Elijah already sold his stained glass thing for $70, $80. Just for that one thing, but it also came with a book worth 20, 2 books worth 10 to 20, a soldering iron worth 30. He got a really awesome haul there as well. And the DeWalt tools are just flying off the shelf. I've already started selling them. So a lot of really cool finds. If you guys want to see another video where I end up scoring a huge lot of RC car stuff and a bunch of other really great items, check out this video next.